Good morning, my name is Allie Jones-Hancock and I am an admissions counselor for Georgia Southern University. Today I'm excited to show you around our Armstrong campus here in Savannah, Georgia. So right now we are in Victor Hall. This is our kind of one-stop shop on campus. All of your businessy kind of stuff is going to happen in this building. So beside me you're going to see our admissions office. This office is responsible for helping you apply to Georgia Southern, answering any application questions you have, and getting you admitted and enrolled at Georgia Southern University. Behind me, you can find our registrar office. So this office is responsible for processing your grades, getting transcripts requests, and all the way up to graduation, getting those diplomas awarded to you, hopefully in 4 years from now. Upstairs is also our financial aid office and our bursar's office. We joke that the financial aid office gives you money and the bursar's office takes it away. So this part of campus right here is my favorite part of campus. It is the picturesque, quintessential Armstrong campus. So we have all the original Armstrong campus buildings right around the area here. So we have Burnett's Hall up at the front where the president and vice president's office are held, as well as human resources. So if anyone wants to have a student job on campus, we have lots of student employment opportunities up there. Towards the back, we have Lane Library where you can check out all of your books and quiet study space in there. This building to my left is our Learning Commons. So lots of computer labs, a lot of group study rooms all the way around the outside of the building, free printing, all that good stuff to help you be successful here on campus. The umbrellas towards the back, we're really excited. We got a Chick-fil-A and Starbucks on campus, so students are really excited to have those eating options on campus as well. So this area we're in right now is called our International Garden. That's because we have plants from every single continent right here in this area, except for Antarctica, of course, because there's no plants in Antarctica. So a really unique aspect of our Armstrong campus right here in this area. And now's the perfect time to be here because all the plants are blooming. It's spring in Savannah and it's a really pretty time here on campus. This building we're about to enter in now is our Waters College of Health Professions building, and it is our newest building on campus. We're super proud of it here at Armstrong, and all of our health profession majors, grad programs, and PhD programs are going to be held in this beautiful building behind me. Now we're inside our health professions building. It's only about a year and a half old, so super new. Our students really enjoy it. We're really proud of it. Lots of classrooms with practical hospital equipment. You're getting hands-on experience that you can use before you're going out into clinicals, clinical rotations, all that good stuff. Behind me is our largest lecture hall on campus, so let's go take a look. This is our largest lecture hall here at the Armstrong campus. It fits a little over 100 students. So yes, it's our largest classroom on our Armstrong campus, but if you've toured any other colleges or universities, this doesn't look quite that big compared to some of the other lecture style classrooms at other schools and universities. Here at the Armstrong campus, we have a student to teacher ratio of about 25 students to 1 teacher, so really good class sizes here at the Armstrong campus. Now we're at the Student Union. This is the social hub of campus. On any given day, you're going to see lots of students hanging out, clubs, organizations set up, talking about their club. Really fun spot to hang out in between classes and homework and assignments. Inside the Student Union, we have our Galley over here. It's our all-you-can-eat dining facility. The Perk is our on-campus coffee shop. We partner with a local Savannah coffee shop for fresh local coffee right here on campus. And just down this way is the Gus Mart, our convenience store right here on campus. So grab and go snacks, drinks, anything you really need on the go right at the Gus Mart. Also in the Student Union is our Georgia Southern Bookstore. Here you can buy all your textbooks for classes, your Georgia Southern swag, so you can show that school spirit. This is Windward Commons, our freshman residence hall. So all of our first-year students at Armstrong are going to live right here. Let's take a look at some of the rooms. We have 2 types of suites in Windward Commons. We have a private suite and semi-private suite. I'm going to go ahead and show you our private suite now. So you can see 2 rooms for you and your roommate. You have 2 sinks and a shared bathroom. and what makes it private is that you have a door that you can close. And this is our semi-private suite. Let me go ahead and show you inside. So you can see, still a 2-bedroom, but there's no doors to close. I actually really like these rooms. You can see it lets in more light, more airy feeling, and more social interaction between you and your roommate. This is the laundry room within Windward Commons. So you can see lots of washers, dryers for students to use. Laundry is free, so you don't need a whole bunch of quarters. You just swipe your Eagle ID to do your laundry. You do have to bring your own laundry detergent, dryer sheets, and learn how to do your laundry if you haven't learned yet before coming to college. Now we're in our student rec center. You can see that we have lots of cardio equipment available. There's weight equipment, strength training equipment in the back. We also offer lots of group fitness classes as well as club and intramural sports. And last on our stop is the Science Center. Right now we're in one of our laboratories. We offer undergraduate and graduate research opportunities. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. I hope to see you on the Armstrong campus soon.